My hair looks so poofy from down there. Look, it's really not like that. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. Hello! How are you guys doing today? So, today I want to talk to you guys about retail arbitrage. If you don't already know what that means, that is basically when you go to a retail location, buy products, and then sell it for more online. And today, I'm so close to, sorry. Today, Toys R Us near me actually is shutting down. They will be closing in a few hours, but I went there a couple hours ago and I scored these guys here. It's like about like 12, I don't know if you can see that, Baby Alive refill pack thing. So I got them all, not all, I got them for $4 each. So I spent after tax like $50-ish, $51, something along those lines. And if I throw them on Amazon, I will be making a little bit more than a $5 profit each one. Or the cool thing here is that I can throw it on eBay, and I noticed that they're selling pretty consistently for about $20, which means that I can make a $16 profit each one, except that I have to pay for, well, I tend to like to pay for shipping on eBay. People are more likely to buy your product if the shipping is free. So I'll figure that out. I'm not sure if I'm going to have them pay or if I'm going to pay it, but either way, I will make more money if I'm not lazy and throw them on eBay instead of Amazon. But either way, I'm going to make a profit and I'm super excited. I might go back and grab some more stuff. I don't know yet. It was pretty cleared out. But yeah, so if you guys know of any places that are closing down near you, or even if not, like the other day actually I went to, what was it? Either Walgreens or Rite Aid, and I found these watches on clearance for what they said they were $36, I think, on clearance. But when I brought it up to the register, it was actually $13. And they're actually going for $150 on Amazon, so I bought all the ones they had. So it doesn't even have to be a place that's closing down. If you go to any retail store, go to the clearance section and start scanning with your Amazon app, or even on eBay, if you have the like Pocket Auctions app, for example, you can find things that you can grab for cheap and easily sell online. So I just want to throw that out there for you guys in case you're interested in doing something like that. Usually what I like to do is in between like my deliveries or in the middle of the day, I'll go to a couple of stores, if not a thrift store, and go to the clearance section and just scan a few things and see what might make me profit online. And don't be afraid to scan random things, because you never know. The other day I actually scanned a packaged VHS set of tapes, still packaged up. They actually went for like $30 on Amazon, and I bought them for like $2 at the thrift store. So you never know. Scan everything. That's all I've got to say. Scan everything. But yeah, so I'll get back to you guys again soon. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in, damn it. Let me know if you guys have any questions below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell, and peace. See you next time. My favorite color is you. Ooh, traffic, why you hate me so? All I wanna do is go, go, go. Well, so, number one, I shouldn't be doing this while I'm driving. Number two, look at how I drive. I'm so scared. I should probably bleep that out. I don't know why I'm whispering. Oh God, that was a scary sound. I'm so sorry.